In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website navigation bar in Canva. We'll walk through each step together, and by the end, you'll have a sleek, professional navigation bar ready to enhance your website's design. Let's jump right in. First, open up Canva. If you don't have an account, it's easy to sign up. Canva is a versatile platform that offers various design tools, perfect for creating stunning graphics, even if you're just starting. Once you're in, it's time to get creative by choosing Create a Design. You can select a custom size or pick from the available templates based on your specific needs. Now, let's insert a rectangle that will serve as the background for your navigation bar. Head to the Elements tab and search for shapes. Choose a rectangle and adjust its dimensions to fit the top section of your design. This rectangle will be your navigation bar's foundation. When you've got your rectangle set, decide on the background color. You could go for a solid color, a gradient, or even a semi-transparent look, depending on your overall site theme and aesthetic. Make sure it complements your website's color scheme. Next, upload your logo to give your navigation bar a personal touch. If you're still working on one, consider placing a text placeholder that represents your brand name. Drag your logo or text to the left side of your nav bar. It's crucial to ensure your logo fits neatly with the height of the bar, so adjust the size accordingly to maintain a balanced look. Once your logo or placeholder is in position, it's time to add text boxes for your menu items. Navigate to the text section in Canva and choose your preferred font style. Don't forget to ensure the font is easily readable and matches your site's style. This part is your main navigation menu, so place each text box across the bar, leaving ample space between them for a clean, professional appearance. To add some functionality to your nav bar, go back to the Elements tab and find button shapes for your call to action. A Sign Up or Contact Us button, for instance, will help guide users to key areas of your site. Consider adding icons like a search magnifying glass, a shopping cart, or a burger menu to add classic navigation elements, which improve user experience. To give your design a polished look, consider adding shadows or subtle borders to your elements for depth. These can be found in the Effects section. Finally, check the spacing, alignment, and overall readability of your elements. Consistency and clarity are crucial in navigation design. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to save it. Export your design as a PNG file for static mockups, which is excellent for presentations or getting feedback from team members before final implementation. With these steps, you've crafted a beautiful, user-friendly navigation bar in Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.